it is like 9:30 in the morning. I still have like eye cream under my eye. But anyways, today I'm going to be doing a day in my life vlog because I just posted one actually only like 2 weeks ago, maybe 3, but I have never received so many DMs of you guys asking for me to do another one. So many of you guys were like, I love the vlog, the just at-home vlog, please do more. I was like, if you guys want another at-home vlog, we will do it. And I thought of something really fun to do this morning because today is the only day of the week it has not rained this week, which I'm very happy about. I have my windows wide open. It is so nice and like spring today. So basically what we're gonna be doing is I'll put some pictures on the screen because you guys have seen me do this on like my Instagram and social media. So it is basically like an at-home little Paris cafe for breakfast. Anyways, so yeah, let's go downstairs. We're gonna get our breakfast. My parents are in the kitchen right now. They're like redoing like a lot of stuff in the house. So I may not like actually film stuff in the kitchen. I think we're gonna do the Paris little cafe. I always do it outside anyways. You can definitely do this inside if you don't have like a lot of outdoor space, but I recommend even if you have like a patio, you can do it inside if you have like a window, open it right up, take any little like table, side table that you have and like plop it right in front of a window or outside. Bring your inside furniture outside if you don't have outdoor furniture. I've done that before. Bring a chair or 2 if you're gonna do this with like a sibling or somebody. And for my tablecloth, I don't actually have tablecloths, so I use like a sheet or like a large pillowcase depending on how small your table is. I actually have like a small outside table that I use and like a little chair. We have like outdoor like back patio furniture that I use. So just use whatever you have like at your house, bring it outside or bring it in front of a window. But yeah, so I'm gonna grab my food and I'm gonna go outside and show you how I do everything to make it look like a cafe or like you're at like a really high class like resort, and how to make the breakfast look like that. This is my quarantine outfit of the day that I will be wearing for the entirety of the day. So these sweatpants are from Brandy Melville. These little white socks, I think they're from like Forever 21. And this little like sweater wrappy top is also from Forever 21. Just set up my little outdoor Paris cafe. Look how pretty this is. Look at my little view. Okay, so basically this is like our little outdoor set. Like I said, you can easily bring outside any little side table, coffee table, bedside table that you have in your house, and any little chair that you can. This is actually a bed sheet because I don't have any tablecloths. I mean, obviously if you have one, use that, but the pillowcase was definitely too small, so I took a sheet and I folded it in half and then just kind of slung it over. It doesn't have to be perfect. So the secret to getting it to look like this is everything has to have its own separate plate. I've always noticed that when I'm at like a nice little Parisian cafe or like at a nice resort or something, everything has its own plate. It's not like all on one big plate. So like the butter has its own section, the sugar has its own section. So these I get at the Goodwill for like literally $1. They're amazing. Like all of these little things, even this matching set, I got this at a thrift store for like $4. And this is a fake flower arrangement. If you have any of these or even real flowers, maybe pick some or something like this. You could even put a candle if you don't have any flowers, just something pretty like nice and central to give it like a pretty little view. But this is gonna be my breakfast. I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I've got some strawberries, I've got some dill cheese, Ritz crackers, the best crackers, don't fight me on that. I've got some toast with butter and chamomile tea. I've also brought my book outside and I'm gonna read a little bit of this. I'm gonna do my devotional first, but I'm gonna use that on my phone. Freezing, so like I said, it's freezing, so I'm gonna go grab a sweatshirt really quickly or like a blanket or something. Mom's out here, we're taking pictures of my tablescape. Is that even a real word, tablescape?
Yeah, you just made it one.
I'm gonna go inside and microwave this because it's literally cold now. I also want to go get my dog, so. Okay, so I'm gonna do my devotional. I do my devotion every morning. You guys know this from my vlogs. I wanted to share with you guys because I started something new and I think it's really cool and you guys would love it because it's free, not sponsored. It's free and it's easy. It sounds like a sponsorship. But yeah, so everybody I think has this app. It's literally just called Bible, like the Bible. Hello? It's literally just called the Bible. So if you get this app and you go to where it says plans, you can actually start a devotional plan with your friends. So a few of my girlfriends and I are doing one. It's called Anxiety to Peace because we all struggle with anxiety. So basically it's a week long, and every single day it gives you a devotional. So it's like literally takes me like 5 minutes to do. Like, they're really easy and simple if you guys have a busy day. Obviously right now we don't, but you know, if you're doing like school or like working from home, they literally take you like 5-10 minutes to do. So it's like a little like message, like a little teaching that you read, only a few paragraphs, and then it gives you like 2 to 3 like scriptures that go along with what it's talking about. And then you have an open talking section where you guys all comment and like put your thoughts, and like we literally talk about it like all day long on like what the message was. And it's really, really fun, and we like encourage each other and we pray for each other in the chat. So it's like a week, and then you can choose, like, obviously they have different plans for like whatever you're going through. So they have like plans for love, anxiety, stress, healing, hope, depression, whatever you need. So you guys can like together do them, or you can do them by yourself, honestly, if you want to. Let me drink my tea before it gets cold. Pinkies up, ladies. Okay, next update. The tea is gone and the bread is gone. I'm reading my book. I'm waiting to watch the movie like until after I read the book, because that's what like real people who read books do. So I haven't seen the movie yet, and I'm waiting till I finish the book. So far so good. Okay, so we're back inside now. I have some boxes, like PR boxes that I haven't opened yet. Actually, like, I just opened it, but I'm gonna show you guys. First thing is I got a box from Valmont, which I'm really excited about. I did take it out of the box already. I love Valmont skincare. I've been using Valmont for a few years now. I never actually knew about them until they reached out to me to like send me stuff like a few years ago, and then I fell in love with them. They have, if you go, okay, like obviously we're in quarantine, so not right now, but if you go to the plaza in New York, the spa that is there is a Valmont spa, and they use all their products. So they gave me like a little spa treatment there once. If you've been following me on Instagram, you probably saw it, and they have some new products they sent. This one's called Bubble Falls. What is it though? Is it Bubble Bath? It's a foaming cleanser. And look at their packaging. Look how gorgeous this is. I love their packaging. All their products have like a specific Valmont smell that I'm so in love with. And I almost forgot about this other one. Let me show you this one I just got this morning. It's from Hourglass. I love Hourglass, so thank you guys so much for this. This is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. This is their new product, which is the Veil Soft Focus Setting Spray. Refreshing. Okay, this is really good. I actually have this product already. This is the Veil Mineral Primer. Then this is the Veil Eye Primer Base. And they also sent a really cute little double-ended brush, little bronze, little blush. Now I kind of want to put on makeup. I'm not going to, but now I kind of want to. Okay, so this is the little setup that I have for my paints. Now, I don't want any hate from you art pros out there, because I totally know I'm doing it wrong. I'm just regularly painting, but I'm using oil paints. I don't actually know how to use oil paints. These are the paints that I have, by the way. This is like the brand that I'm using. These are the messy brushes that I have. This is the messy palette that I have. Okay, so I think I'm gonna head downstairs. I've got my book and an ice cream sandwich. I still didn't finish the painting. I know it's probably not just me, but I can't do like the same thing for a long time. Like, once I do something for like an hour or two, I get like really bored of it, and like I have to do something else. I don't know why, but I'm always like that. Like, I can't just do one thing for a long period of time. Like, my brain gets, I don't know, but I need to switch it up. So I was painting for a little bit. It's like almost done. I literally need to do like one more thing to it, but I got kind of bored and was like, let's do something else. Here's our fireplace. I'm gonna sit right here. Hello.
Hi, I'm filming.
Yeah, look cute. I like your background here.
Thanks. I'm in the Kelsey Simone Enterprise here.
Okay, because of my superior lighting skills with my camera, you can't actually tell, but the sun is like almost all the way down. It's like 8:30. I just finished having dinner with my family. I am going to do a face mask. Yeah, I'm gonna do this face mask. I'm gonna just like chill and maybe edit some pictures, lay down in my bed, watch some shows. Before I go to bed, that's like typically the night routine. This face mask is literally the last thing I'm going to do today. And yeah, so I'm gonna just end the vlog here. This looks like I have ketchup on my face. Yeah, I think you guys can see now that the sun is starting to go down. You can see it's setting in my room right now. So thank you guys so much for watching this quarantine vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you have any more video requests, let me know in the comments below, and make sure to check out my social media, check out my Instagram. I post every single day on there what I am doing and stuff like that. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.